Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried eggs on toast. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, your favorite bread, butter, and any seasonings you enjoy. Next, select a good non-stick pan and a sturdy spatula. Make sure your toaster is ready to go, as timing is key for a perfect breakfast. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Carefully crack 2 eggs directly into the pan, being careful not to break the yolks. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk. For a firmer yolk, simply cook them a little longer until they reach your desired consistency. This step is crucial for that perfect texture. While your eggs are frying to perfection, pop 2 slices of your chosen bread into the toaster. Once golden brown and warm, spread a generous amount of butter over each slice. This adds a wonderful richness that complements the eggs beautifully. Don't forget to season your fried eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper right in the pan. These simple steps bring all the flavors together. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Gently slide the perfectly fried eggs onto your warm, buttered toast. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh chives or a light sprinkle of paprika. This adds both color and a subtle flavor. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fried eggs on toast. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.